Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now just a little video today. My dad's finally upgraded his Mitsubishi Evo.
Hey, what type of car is that?
We're just going to do a little maintenance task on his new Peugeot Partner I think it's called. We're just going to be changing the gearbox oil. So it's not a complicated task. It's pretty similar on every single vehicle. So I thought I'd make a little video showing you how to change the gearbox oil on a manual car. So let's go. So the first thing to do is to locate the fill and drain port on the gearbox. Now my dad's just taken off the passenger side wheel because we're going to have to do that in order to access the gearbox. Right, so where's the fill port on this one?
That one is the fill.
So you undo that bolt.
That's, you can tell by the washer, and then if you come round the back, underneath, that is your drain. There, right there.
So we get a better angle really of the drain plug from here. There it is. So that's obviously the engine. This side here is the drain plug. So I think it's now time to drain it. So we're just torquing up the drain bolt now to 38 Newton meters. You don't really have to torque here, but I like to do it. There we are, that's done. So that's the fill port opened up. You know when there's enough oil in there because you'll be pumping it in and all of a sudden it'll start to drip back out of the hole, so it's actually impossible to overfill it. So it's very difficult to actually get the oil in. So I've got a little extension from a funnel and that fits in the hole, and we're just going to fill up using that really. So we just pulled out the fill pipe, and as you can see the excess oil is now draining out. So
Not a lot, really.
Yeah, so it's not massively overflowed, but once it stops dripping, we'll put the fill port back in. So we're now torquing up the fill bolt, 30 Newton meters, that's what we're going for. So that's been torqued up. The gearbox fluid change is now complete. We're just gonna put the wheel back on, drop it down, and then have a little clean up. So as easy as that, we've changed the gearbox fluid in this Peugeot's gearbox. So hopefully you've enjoyed that little video. Maybe you've learned something. If you've got a Peugeot Partner, hopefully it's helped you. Do consider subscribing though. We've got a lot of content on the channel, mainly revolving around this Mitsubishi and a few car reviews, things like that. So I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.